8:54 a.m. Dam is sleeping, so I have to be as fast as I can. We have this unboxing, and of course I have to pack the trash. I have to arrange all these things, the ones that are for business, the ones that are for personal use, So of course we'll do voiceover with this. That will save us the time. Hi guys, I'm Boss Tiny and welcome to another video. So I did sea shipping for this order and it took around 2 months. Typically it will last for 3 months, but this happened to arrive 2 months. So first carton we have here is a safe. I got one of these in Nigeria, which is expensive, not overly expensive, but compared to the price that you get this, and given the fact that I shipped it with sea shipping. I also got these pen holders for my store. If you guys don't know, I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos State, Abule artist to be precise. So I got it in all 4 styles, and of course I got this thermometer for my soap making. If you guys don't know, I also do in skincare production, and I got those gloves for free gifts so that I can give it to my customers who purchase goods from me. I got a mixer for my baking, home use and every other thing, and I got that scope for my skincare products. I also got these schemes in these 2 colors. I do not wear black and I don't want to get it in white, so I got it in these 2 more like a neutral colors. I got these shoes for Dam and I really loved this brown more. So because his dad already got him a white shoe, so I got this in black and brown. The black is fine, but I love the brown more. Let me know which one you like more. So of course for my skincare products, I also got these gloves. Remember, this is sea shipping, so I had to use the opportunity to get everything that I needed for my business expansion. And I got actually ordered for the shelf, but unfortunately I did pay for just the wheel. I thought I paid for everything, so only the wheel arrived. And I got this bag and cap for beach wear, but this is what I got instead. Of course I was refunded by my agent because I used agent for this shopping. Now after I realized that some of these Chinese manufacturers and suppliers do scam people and block them, I decided to go back to using agents because of course I do not want to hear stories that touch. If I had to order this from a supplier directly, they won't even bother to reply me, not talk of refunding, because I only got it in 1 piece. But my agent did refund me. Now I got this travel pouch, and this can be deflated to make your, is it deflated? Yeah, to make your package look smaller for you to fit your boxes. I don't know how best to put it, but I got the machine separately and I got the pouches separately. As you guys saw, I got trouser hangers, and I also got this eraser for Dam. I only got this in few pieces, as you guys can see. Now this is super cheap, but these are mostly for party packs, say 1 year birthday and co. This is a very good buy for it. I got this eyebrow tattoo, and I got it in 3 so that it can last me to whenever I want to shop again. I got this travel thingy for like you want to scale your goods. Yeah, travel scale, I think that's the name. And of course I got this shaving blades. These are for derma planning and co for business or personal use. I also got this pouch for international passports for myself, Obi and Dam. I got these 2-in-1 pouches for myself and Obi, 2 phones each, but unfortunately before you arrived, Obi already changed my phone, so I might be putting it in the giveaway gifts that I want to do. I got a lot of things, by the way, for both business and personal use. as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. I got this blush set, and when I tell you that these are super pigmented, trust me, they are. And I also got this dry brush cleaner. Yeah, I got this eyeshadow. The packaging alone is everything. I mean, the way they package it, this will not even break. And given the fact that these are sea shipping, you know that it can come broken. So I got more for Dam Dam, and I got two. Personally, I don't like to buy one thing because I mean one might spoil and I still need to go to the other one. I got this silicone cake mold. These are 4 or 6 inches, I can't remember, but they look super soft. I just hope it works. And I got the cupcake one as well. This is a little bit stronger than the round one. I got lots of eyelashes for business because I'll be opening my store very soon. I got this brush set as well. These are 2-in-1 brush sets. I got it mostly for contouring and highlighting instead of packing lots of brushes in the box. And I got this trolley thingy for, say you want to go to the mall. As we know, Nigerian and they not sell nylon in the mall, which is, I mean, super useless. I also got this multi-purpose purse. This can be used for makeup purse or even cosmetics or for personal use. Say you want to go out for fashion. And I got these caps for Dam Dam as well. This will be packed in his birthday gift. I got 3: blue, yellow, and a beige color. Or is this nude? Yeah. So like I said, I'm doing expansion on my business. So I got this soap mold. I got 6 of it. Already ordered for 6 more. So you guys will definitely see it in my next unboxing. I got this glove as well as this coloring set. These coloring sets are also for party packs, so these are just a trial for me. So I got this pH tester strip for accurate purposes, so I can use it and use my pH meter as well. I got these floss, dental floss. These are 1,000 pieces, I believe. Yes, I got lots of wool protector for traveling boxes, and I got a lot of brushes as well. These are mini blending brushes for concealer or nose control whatnot. I got this Mama's Boy for Dam Dam. This is about a year plus. Of course, I got this spatula, but these are tiny spatulas for jars or mixing. I got these clothes as well. I actually bought 2 of these, I believe. Yes, I got 2 of these. These are Polo Ralph. So I bought these balloon sets for Dam Dam 1-year birthday photo shoots, which you guys might see if I decide to post it on here. And also I got this ladder, and I believe these are 4 steps ladder. This is super high, by the way, but I was scared of climbing it, so I couldn't go above step 2, I believe. Yeah, this video was super long. I had to make it short to this length, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course stay tuned for my next unboxing video. And I hope you guys did not miss me too much. I've been active on my TikTok. It has not been easy to juggle business, motherhood, wife, and of course social media as well. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be fabulous. Cheers.